I'm actually blown away how good this color looks. Truly stunning, both of these. Wow. The G-Class special soft close feature, check it out. This is like stepping to your house basically, it's so huge this. Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to new video. So in this video we'll check out this amazing 2025 AMG G63 in this amazing manufacturer Hyper Blue Magno. And in this video we'll check out the exterior, interior, sound, and also I will tell you my impressions about this spec. Don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed this episode. Alright guys, and now we have stronger sun, so I decided to show you one more time these colors next to each other. These look so good, absolutely fantastic, and I'm actually blown away how good this color looks. In hindsight, I would immediately order this in this color because it looks crazy, absolutely crazy. So many people I think would love this color. And now on the camera it looks more or less the same, as a little bit more turquoise, just tiny bit turquoise if you imagine towards the green turquoise, and that's the color which we have here. So truly stunning, both of these. Wow. Alright guys, so let's take a closer look here at both of these cars from the exterior. Let me know which one is your favorite. For me it's extremely difficult to choose because for me this is ideal two-car garage, we can say. The G63 and the G63, both of nearly identical specs. The paints are the same, and we have also bright interior colors for the leathers. And in terms of the wheels, the G has a different design than the G63. So this is manufacturer Hyper Blue Magno. This color launched, as you can see, on the GT and also on the G63, the facelift version. Both of these looks so good. It's extremely crazy. So these cars have both Night Package 1 and Night Package 2, or extended Night Package. That means that we have as much chrome blacked out as possible, or make it dark chrome if you will. So for example, the vertical slats are dark chrome, but the star remains chrome. And on the G63 you can see that the grille is also dark chrome, but the star is already blacked out with gloss black. And on the G63 we have a AFFALTERBACH badge, which is replacing the Mercedes-Benz badge, but this one is in dark chrome. And on the G63 and on the GT63 is actually in chrome still. So if you want, you can replace it, of course, but this is how it is from the factory. The badging are also in dark chrome here on the V8 bi-turbo, check it out, and there on the V8 bi-turbo as well. Because the G-Class has a little bit different design, I would say. G-Class color looks a little bit different, but they are the same. And here, looking at the camera in person, both of these cars are a little bit more turquoise, so the shade is a little bit different on the camera, but nonetheless really stunning. Even when it's not sunny, both of these cars look amazing, but when it's sunny they pop so crazy. So highly recommend it to get this. So here is the G63. This is the new facelift, and it looks really crazy as well. So let me know what you think about this design. I think it looks really well, and you can see the G63 dark chrome as well. And this is in matte black, Magno black. Really nice enhancement for the facelift of the G-Class as well. Really beautiful. So I'm a big fan of both of these cars, and I think this is a perfect two-car garage. You can get the new G63 facelift as an off-road version or super sport, or you can customize it like we see in here. So with the super sport you get much more sporty appearance from the G, but here for this we have a new style of the wheels. So these are a little bit more elegant but still a little bit sporty as well. And you can see here that they have a diamond finish and like a silver and matte black design. I featured these on another G63, but on this one we can see it as well. And black brake calipers with the white AMG lettering. And these are Eagle F1 MO1 tires, so AMG compound. And the tire size is actually 295 40 22 inch. And of course these are Goodyear tires. Also for the G-Class is now new, so you can get this piece, these side steps, you can get these in black, which is I think nice feature, goes well with other black elements. And this is also in Magno black, the mirrors. And check out here, we have the keyless entry. I already closed the car, check it out. So now it's closed. Now I can open this, but still you need to click and you get this amazing G-Class sound. So let's start the vehicle. Now it's much quieter. Okay, you can see here the shockle-proofed and these exposed hinges. How nice is this? Also for the facelift we have now the exhaust tips, which are in dark chrome with the AMG logos as well. And rear tires have the same size as front, 295 40 22. And overall this can double up as a mirror as well, because it's so flat, so you can see yourself. Really fantastic car in my opinion, one of the best cars in the world, for sure, the G-Class. And this new model is not as legendary of course as G-Class, but nonetheless very stunning as well. And I think this is a very good, you can say, home run with the GT63, especially here with aero package. So let me know how do you like this G-Class and what do you think about this design. So let's check out here as well. Facelift has also this beautiful AMG fuel filler cap. So if I turn my camera, you can see the AMG logo, looks like this. And here we can see E5, E10, 98 or more octane. You can also do 95, but 98 and more, like 100 and more, is the best. You can also see the tire pressures. This is for the winter tires. By the way, you can get these for basically any AMG. It's easily replaceable here, so you just disconnect and you can replace this yourself. So really good. You can get this from the factory as well, but you can do also like aftermarket yourself. Check out here, blacked out also the Mercedes star. So everything is brutal and really really crazy. So let's check out the boot. Here we are looking, here we have some private staff box. You can see how huge is this cargo capacity. And also check out here, this is actually manufactured platinum white and black in the interior. Really stunning car. So yeah, I truly love this G63 and many of you as well. Check out here, this really rough, so you can stand here and yeah, you won't damage anything. So they think about many stuff here when they develop G-Class. And the doors, people love this sound. Who doesn't? So that's really true. It's truly unbelievable. So let's check out here the interior. So as I told you, this is manufactured platinum white and black. On the GT we have actually crystal white. We can see the sunroof here. You can open this or close manually like this. Okay, the car is so huge. Okay, and check out the speaker and this amazing steering wheel. This is the new one for the facelift. So let's hop inside. This is like stepping to your house basically. It's so huge, this. And soft close, the G-Class special soft close feature, check it out, amazing. So wow, you can go back so you can see the interior nicely. Okay, and you can see electric control for the steering wheel. So this is the new AMG performance steering wheel, this one in carbon fiber, and 12 o'clock marker here in leather. Really beautiful carbon AMG logo. Check out here the fuel, the fire actually extinguisher, and AMG logo here. AMG controls, dynamic select. So here we have comfort, then we have slippery, individual, sport, and sport plus. If you ask why the displays are in matte, I believe this is because we can see here actually this has a film, the wrap, so it has a matte wrap, which I think actually is very cool, and it makes kind of sense because it doesn't reflect as much, but you have still really good visibility on the displays. So here we can see you can change the modes. Also here we have like a hidden off-road mode. Please activate differential locks to use the OK. So we need to activate differential locks, and these are actually new. So you have middle one, then rear one, and front one. So let's activate the middle one. We need to activate here, and you can see off for the traction control. And we are trail mode, we have sand mode, and also rock mode. So you have many modes. You can also see here difference. This is rock, this is trail, and here we can see the sand. And if you want to go back, just press here, you will go back to mode, and also the differential will turn off. So you don't use differentials when you are driving on the road, only off-road, or if you are stuck on road, let's say. Let's close this so this doesn't blow into our microphone. Check out here in the middle this gorgeous carbon fiber. How nice is this? The Mercedes can do unbelievable stuff, and together with AMG it's even better, we can say. So very nice click. And underneath we have two cup holders which are adjustable, also heated and cooled and heated cup holders, so these walls will heat up or cool down. Wireless charger for a phone. I use wired connection for faster charging, and my phone is less hot, so that is not ideal, but that's why I use actually the wire, the cable. And here we have the touchpad, which is usable for some people. Some people prefer to do touchscreen. Finally you can do that in the facelift of G63. So that is what many people wanted to do. And also CarPlay is actually here on a widescreen, like in all facelift models. You can see here that we have the 360 cameras, so you can do different positions of the camera. Check it out. Front, bunch of stuff here. You can save the camera position. Then we have the car button. So with this one you have car functions, the most basically stuff which you use daily. Also here we have always in Europe now the speed regulation assistant. So speed assistant, you can turn it on or off if you want to use it or if you don't want to use this. So that is available always here. Favorites, so you can see the favorites, consumption, browser, display off, manual. You have telephone, radio, media, navigation, and map, and also volume. Really nice tactic. I have it also in my A class. I really like this button. So yeah, you can use the volume. On the steering wheel we have actually capacitive buttons, so you can see the capacitive. This is for the assistant systems. You can see the distance with the car in front, and also you can set the speeds here. You can cancel, reset, and with this unit AMG control you can change what is shown here. For example, the exhaust you can turn on or off. If you click on the display you can change what is shown there, auto start, stop. So you can also add stuff. Check my video for the tricks with the GLS63. I showed you how you can use this and more efficiently. You can add functions or remove them from this unit, so that is also nice. Check out these clicky buttons. This is so satisfying as well. I love this. And with the menu you can do sync as well. Air quality, check it out. With air quality you can actually have also ionization, fresh or recirculated air mode, first row, second row. So this is proper proper stuff now in the facelift. Also underneath we have some storage space. So here is glove compartment. You can open it, store some stuff there, and also you can lock it here with the blade of the key fob. Also in the GLS63 car functions, hidden features is there, so you can check it out. And check out here the manufacturer carbon fiber on this grab handle. So here this grab handle you can hold when you are off-roading. It's extremely sturdy, so really fantastic once again. And check out here the leather manufacturer platinum white and black. So black you can see here in the doors, check it out. And this is the platinum white with the AMG logo. Amazing, a little bit darker than in the GT63, but I think it fits the off-road capabilities of this car. And check out here on the top, here we have this amazing suede-like material. Really stunning grab handles. So yeah, really gorgeous everywhere you look in the G class. You can also open here the sunroof for fresh air, check it out, and you can close it as well here. Burmester speaker on the top. The glass here is tinted. Also Burmester speaker in the back. So in the back seats here we have some basically it's same as in the pre-facelift. So this is we can say the same, and you can also see there the spare tire, check it out. So this is reality. You can see there the spare tire, physical one, with the wheel as well. So that is truly something else. So I'm really pleased with the infotainment system. Also you can change here the Super Sport, Sport, Classic, Understated, Navigation, Assistance, Off-Road. So my favorite is for sure the Classic and the Super Sport. Here you can see the temperatures of the transmission, engine oil and coolant. And also when you are driving you can always see the, you can go to drive, you can always see the gear which you have, and also these RPM. So this is, we can say, this sort of classical design which we had when we had back in days, even like 6-7 years ago, we had physical basically gauges. So this is like simulating, and I really love this because in some brands you don't have this anymore. So Mercedes kept it here for those which want to use it. Then we have more modern, like a Super Sport. You have also, if you go into drive, you can see the gear here in the middle and RPMs on the side. So for example, if I use here the throttle, they go to the side, check it out. So yeah, more futuristic, like a fire. So also appreciated, we have something more modern and really nice. So yeah, absolutely fantastic and gorgeous interior here in the G63. I truly love this once again. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know how you like this G63 in the comment section down below. Don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.